So my 6-year-old granddaughter wants to learn how to sew. I'm concerned about her little fingers getting stuck in the needle. So I'm not going to have that. So I researched and I found these little finger guards that attach to the screw that attaches the presser foot onto the shank. And today she had a wonderful time sewing. She was making a baby blanket of for her dolly, and she was thrilled because she was going around in circles and all that, and she had the machine playing on slow. Then she decided to put the speed up, and she had a really great time, and I was fine because I wasn't concerned that she was going to get her little fingers caught. So another day solved of doing a great time with and having fun with your grandchildren. My granddaughter was practicing, excuse my arm there for a second, okay, on how to sew, and I'm going to demonstrate it with a pencil so it's as small as a baby's finger and you can understand it. Okay, and I'm going to press the machine to start, and you can see that there is no way she's going to get her little finger in there. So, and it was really cute because I told her how to hold it, and she was literally holding it like this and just letting it go, letting it go, letting it go. And I had no worries about her little fingers. This Project Runway model sewing machine, you press it here and it automatically sews. My granddaughter was doing that, but she wants to use the foot pedal because that's how Nonna sews. She uses a foot pedal. So she wants to be the same as Nonna because we're going to have twin sewing machine. So my husband thought about it, and he built a little block, and we put the pedal on it, and she is thrilled because now she reaches, and when we sit together, we're going to be sewing up a storm. Thank you.